Welcome to 1 crore projects. Today we will discuss about the project title is Employee Layoff Prediction using Flask framework. So when we go to how to run the project, then how to get the output about this project. So how to run the Flask framework project. So open the Anaconda prompt. First I open the Anaconda prompt. Then after the copy the location of source file. So we just go to the projects directory, then copy this link. Then after that, type this line like cd space copied file path. Then copy the location of file path. Then paste the file location in prompt using cd. Then after that, r colon. Then type this line like python app.py. There is the running command to run the Flask application. Once you give this line, it will return one link like http colon double slash 127.0.0.1 colon 500. So it is a local host IP address. Once you copy this link, then paste on your any browser. Okay, there is the main page about employee layoff prediction using Flask framework. Here we can see the fields like overtime, age, hourly late rate, daily rate, then monthly income, total working years at company, then distance from home, the number of companies found. Okay, let's see, try to predict the layoff overtime like 3 hours, then age is 23, hourly rated 240, and daily rated like 1000, monthly income 50,000, total working hours 8 hours, years at company 3 years, distance at home, like this is based on kilometers. After that, my final field is a number of companies worked, like I just give 4 companies. And after that you get you just click the get prediction. My website will run, then it will return the probability is 68%. Okay, now I just enter various values. Overtime 6 hours, age is 50, then hourly rate 1000, daily rate 300,000, monthly income like 1 lakh, then total working years 10 years, here at companies